on her way to the Bahamas right now. Her and Nancy are doing a recon trip so that we make sure that we are going into a safe zone. Flights are secured for tomorrow. We have 2 different flights. One's at 10, one's at 11:45 a.m. We're going to meet up with the Iris team. We're going to get to know them, and we're going to start planning, and so we can be highly effective when we're there.
Initial day tomorrow is to just get settled, meet with our local contacts, pass out lights, and then we can kind of, as we're going, see okay, how can we help here, what's the need, how can we plug in. But right now our goal is lights. The Aerial Global Community team just met up with the Iris Relief team, and we are going to be delivering these watts of love tomorrow. I'm so excited to be able to be giving people the gift of light. What an incredible group to be able to do this. We're going to be the only ones giving out solar lights, and this is a game changer for these families that are suffering. We're so grateful for the hard work that Iris Relief has done to be able to even get us in the door. These things are chaos and craziness. Tomorrow's going to be a really big day. I can't wait to get on the ground helping people. So it's all exciting, it's all good, and we're on our way.